It's Saturday and therefore it's time to make something delicious, and today we are making salmon fish in cream. So you need a wide oven pot for that. Spread your fish in the pot, and then you need the spices. We have the fish spice, then you add some teal, then you add some red pepper, the full red pepper. You can add some ginger spice. I got this from Kenya. And we are going to be eating this salmon fish with potatoes. You can notice that our potatoes, we didn't remove the skin. So for the fish, you add the cooking cream, if possible, to submerge, not overflowing, so you don't ruin your oven. Then you cook at 200 degrees for 30 minutes, and that is the outcome. And then we're going to be cooking some spinach, stir frying the spinach. You need to chop them into small pieces and just fry them. And then we are going to be making Kenyan style salad, kachumbari. So it's made of onions, tomatoes, and coriander. And we had a cake to ice the day. So thank you for watching.